So good morning and welcome to the 10th North East Automotive Expo here. Once again, we've got a fantastic lineup for delegates today. This year we've got a new Women in Manufacturing panel, which is really about how we showcase diversity within the manufacturing sector and look at how we try and attract new people into the automotive industry. As usual, we've got our Meet the Buyer event, so we'll see over 100 Meet the Buyer meetings taking place, and today we should see in the region of 700 delegates come through the doors. So once again, a fantastic event here.
Okay, good morning. I'm Jeff Pratt. I'm Head of Operations in the UK. I'm here this morning to do the keynote speech to open the conference. It's really great to be here today. I think it's going to be a fantastic event, and I'm really looking forward to going around and meeting all the exhibitors that's here in the northeast of England.
Hello, we're Preston Technical. We're a leading adhesive tapes converter from the Northwest. We're a proud member of the NEAA, and we're here to showcase our range of die-cut adhesive tapes. Our flagship product is the award-winning TabTech presentation. It streamlines the application process of long, narrow width adhesive tapes. We're hoping to showcase it here today, and we're really happy to sponsor the stage today and to showcase a lot of our products here at the NEAA Expo. Look forward to seeing you all today. Come and see us on stand C52.
I'm Claire Jones, Head of Skills at Nissan Sunderland plant. It's great to be here at the NEAA Expo today. Really vibrant atmosphere. It's great to see some old faces and to be representing Nissan, networking with various different people from across the advanced manufacturing and automotive sector. And I'm really looking forward to being part of the Women in Automotive panel a little bit later on this morning, talking about diversity in the workforce, the importance of developing an inclusive culture, and areas around school engagement. It's also an opportunity to see the new Nissan Leaf, which we've got on display here, and we'll start production of that at the plant later on in the year. And yeah, just looking forward to having a great day.
Today really is about connecting the network and providing that opportunity for businesses to meet fellow members, driving business opportunities across the network.